Welcome back to part 3 of the Google Drive for Educators tech series. In this video, you will learn what Google Drive is and how to use it to store files. As I discussed in part 1 of the video series, Google Drive is cloud-based storage that allows you to access anything you have stored from almost any device. So what we're going to do right now, we're logged into our teacher account, and we see that here by looking at the top right. And I'm going to click on these little boxes here, and if I hover over it, it says apps. So now I'm clicking, and you're going to see it says Google Drive. So Google Drive is right next to Mail, which we'll get into at a later date. But now we're clicking on Drive, and we are coming into our first Google Drive environment. Now, as you see in my Google Drive, there's nothing here, okay? It gives you a little reading to do, and it also says download Drive for your PC. The benefit of downloading Drive for your PC or for your Mac, it'll work for both, is that Google will keep a copy of your files on your computer also. So that means if one day maybe you don't have internet at home or in school, as long as that computer is synced up with this software, you'll always have copies in multiple places. So the first thing we're going to look at is the dashboard here. It says My Drive. It says shared with me because Google is a collaborative tool where you can share all of your files with people. Starred, so if you have something marked as like a favorite, it'll show there. It'll show recent documents. And if I click on the More tab, it has a couple of other things. So for now, we're just going to look at My Drive. And what we're going to do is I am actually going to walk you through importing a couple of files into Google Drive. So when I mean import, I mean basically saving your files onto Google Drive. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. I mean, most people don't understand how quickly this can be done, but it's even quicker than saving to a flash drive. So most of us use Gmail. Most teachers I know are already using Gmail, so they're comfortable with the environment, but haven't really jumped into Google Drive. So right now I'm minimizing my screen so you can see a couple of files that I have saved. And in order to save a file is completely easy. So I have the crest for my school here, and I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it in. So as I drag it in, it's going to say copy, and that's it. It uploads to Google. So as soon as this is done, I should be able to see it in my drive. So now I can click here, I can click on the picture, and there it is. The benefit of this, if you go on your phone and also log into your Google Drive with the Google Drive app, you will be able to find this information also. Now I'm going to try a Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to drag that in. I have a video that I'm going to drag in, and I have a picture of myself. Sometimes you need a picture. So I'm dragging that in, and here it is uploading the video, and it tells you how much is left. So this video is not that small. This is actually a YouTube video that I downloaded for use for instruction because YouTube is blocked in our school. Okay, at this point, all of my files have uploaded into Google Drive. Now I can see the 4 files that I have here are now in Google Drive perfectly. I have my video, I have my photo, and I have a test document. Let's take a look at the video. So this is the video that I wasn't able to play using YouTube. Now I can just click on it and it will stream to my classroom. Now, let's say it doesn't work. What can you do? Well, you can simply click here where it says Open, and you click Google Drive Viewer. And then once that loads, you click on the download button, and it'll download it directly to your computer. So now that video that you weren't able to play online through Google Drive, you can now download it to your machine, and you don't have to worry about where it is. It's all in one central location. So I'm just going to close this, and I'm going back to my Google Drive. Let's take a look at the photo. I posted of myself on the beach. Actually, I'm not on the beach. I am in my classroom facing the whiteboard. And if you see, I used iPhoto, and if you see here, part of my head is a little cut out, but that was a little fun. And I can also check out my Word document that I uploaded earlier because I typed this at home and I just dragged it in, and here it is. This is a test document. Later on, I'm going to show you how to edit these documents and create new ones using Google Drive. So that's in our next step. Thank you, and let's try.